how to apply for and successfully get a loan on Chime. In this video, I'm going to share with you my best tips and tricks and how you could apply for a loan on Chime. So to get started, to apply for a loan on Chime, open the app and go to the loans section. Chime offers personal loans with quick approval processes, and you'll need to provide some basic information such as your employment details, income, and any existing debt you might have. After submitting your application, Chime will review your request and let you know if you've been approved for a loan, usually within minutes to hours. One thing that sets Chime apart is that they offer a transparent fee structure with no hidden charges or high interest rates. Chime loans also have flexible repayment terms, which allows you to choose a plan that works best for your budget. However, keep in mind that your credit score and financial history may impact your approval chances, so it's always good to ensure your financial records are in good standing. And that's how you apply for and successfully get a loan on Chime. It's a straightforward process, but be sure to review all terms before proceeding.